Exercise 13.2. Find the values of the trigonometric functions. That is the values. Values means a real number, the value. 6%. Sine 755 degrees. Tan 19 pi by 3. What is pi? Pi radians. Pi radians is equal to 180 degrees. Sine minus of 11 pi by 3. Cot of minus of 15 pi by 4. This is the degrees. These are in radians. Now solve this. This is the 765 is 720 above. So 720 is 360 plus 45. Now think about what is 360. See here, suppose it is axis, y-axis is, now this stick is moving. Now 0 degrees, coincide with x-axis to 0 degrees. Now it is 45 degrees, 90, 180, 270, again 360. Now 360 degrees. At 0 degrees is nothing but 360 degrees. So 360 degrees is nothing but 0. Consider the one rotation ho gaya to 0. So it is also convert into 0, remaining 45 degrees. One rotation, two rotations, then 45. This look like first to keep the 45 here. It is the 45 degrees. Now one rotation, 45 plus 360 plus 360. Again it is the same position. That's why sine 45 degrees. Here one logic is 360 degrees subtract karo. Or we may add, adding is one rotation, subtract is different. Reverse. So sine 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Here 19 pi by 3. Now I concentrate on the 3, number 3. Number 3, 19, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. I select the 18. 18 is divided by 19. 18 pi plus pi, 19 pi. So separate the two factors, that 18 by 3, pi by 3. 6 pi. What is 2 pi? 2 pi is 360 degrees. 2 pi, 2 pi, 2 pi, 3 times, pi by 3. Actually, it is no need of writing 3 times. 3 times of 2 pi. But rotation हो गया तो pi by 3. Tan pi by 3. Pi is 180. 180 by 3 is 60. Tan 60 value is root 3. Now see, it is sine of minus 11 pi by 3. Here also 3 is there. 11. Which number is divisible by 3? You are saying 9. But I am taking 12. Why? Because it is negative, so I take the more number. It is positive, so less number. For easy. Minus 12 pi plus pi is minus 11 pi. Now divide this. Minus 4 pi plus pi by 3. Minus 2 pi. Again minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi 2 times plus pi by 3. Here minus 2 pi is. Here it is the adding. Now this minus is the reverse. So this also cancel. It is 0. It is also 0. Convert into 0. Then sine pi by 3. Sine 60 pi by 3 is equal to 60 degrees. Root 3 by 2. Here minus 15 pi by 4. Minus 15 is there. Now select the one number divisible by 4. 14. Because minus तो थोड़ा ज्यादा चाहिए, प्लस तो थोड़ा कम चाहिए. Cot of minus 15 pi plus pi by 4 whole, it is by 4. whole by 4. Now 4 pi minus 4, it is 2 times. 2 times of minus 2 pi. Minus 2 pi cancels, so it is 0. Then pi by 4. Pi by 4 is 180 by 4 is 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees is equal to 1. But practice that to this step to this step. Don't write the sin 60 degrees. Sin pi by 3, direct value. Cos pi by 4, direct value. Don't convert into the angles. Try like this. Some formulas in trigonometry, that is negative angle. Already we discussed that the positive angle is anti-clockwise direction angle is positive, clockwise direction is negative angle. Now in the negative angle, sine minus x, sine of minus angle minus x is equal minus sine x. Minus came out from the sine only. But cos minus x is equal to cos x. Here minus not came. How to remember this? General idea. Think about the negative angle is in this quadrant, fourth quadrant. To remember this formula, negative angle treat in the fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant कौन सा वाला positive? Cos is positive. So cos is positive. Sec is also positive. So these two are positive. In the fourth quadrant, positive also positive. Then remaining all negatives. Tan minus x equal minus tan. Cot minus x equal minus cot. Sec minus x equal plus. Cosecant minus x is minus. Remaining all negatives. Now another formula, seventh formula. Cos of x plus y. If you split the one angle, two parts, suppose 60 degrees, 60 is equal 30 plus 30. I am writing 30 plus 30. Then this value is equal to which value? That is cos 30 minus sin 30, sin 30. After simplification, we can get the same value. Here, say cos x plus y, cos, then first cos, same other cos. C, cos x plus y is equal to cos x, cos y. Both cos, all cos. Minus sin x, sin y. Cos, formula, cos, next sin. Cos of x plus y is equal cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Don't stop here. Cos of x plus y is equal cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. But sin of x plus y is equal sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Sin of x plus y is equal sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. But cos of x plus y is equal cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Here one thing you must recall. Here what is the sign? Minus. Here what is the sign? Plus. Why? Here plus. Cos of x plus y is equal cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. But sin of x plus y equals sin x cos y. Then it reverse. Then this minus also convert into plus. Sin ka plus plus, but cos ka reverse. It is plus, so reverse sign middle. Now see cos of pi by 2 plus x. Pi by 2 plus x. Suppose it is pi by 2, it is x. One is pi by 2, one is x. But now substitute here. Cos 90 degrees is equal to 0. 0 into cos x equal to 0. Sin 90 degrees is equal to 1. 1 into sin x is equal to. Then it is the minus sin x. Cos pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x. Then in the next class we will discuss about how to write direct this minus or plus. Now one observation, that is, in this triangle, I am taking the right angle triangle. This angle is x degrees, then this 90 degrees, this is 90 minus x, because sum of the angles is 180 degrees. 180 degrees, x 90, 90 minus x. Clear? Suppose it is 30 degrees, then this is 60 degrees. 90 minus 30, like that. See this angle for the sin x. Sin x is equal opposite side by hypotenuse. Already you know in the class 10. This by this. BC by AC. X angle का this angle का opposite side BC, hypotenuse. Now cos of pi by 2 minus x. Where is pi by 2 minus x in the diagram? Here. See here, this is the angle pi by 2 minus x or 90 minus x. I am using this one, cos of pi by 2 minus x. This angle ka cos is adjacent side. What is the adjacent side of this angle? BC. BC by hypotenuse. Now these two are equal. Finally, cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal sin x. Clear? What you understood here? This angle, this opposite side is nothing but this angle ka adjacent side. So when pi by 2 came, opposite adjacent reverse. Opposite adjacent. That means cos convert into sin, sin convert into cos, tan. What is tan? Opposite by adjacent. Now reverse. Opposite convert into adjacent, adjacent convert into opposite. So cot. Like that, all you understood this. Now cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Now another observation. Now cos of pi by 2 plus x. Plus is nothing but minus of minus is plus. Pi by 2 minus this totally it is x. Now pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Sin of minus x. This is the minus x. Sin of minus x. Sin of minus x is equal to minus sin x. So cos of pi by 2 plus x is equal to minus sin x. But cos of pi by 2 minus x is equal to sin x. Now we discuss about the how to consider, how to find out the negative positive without this process. Finally, when pi by 2 came, then function changed. Only pi by 2 came, function changed. When pi came, pi is nothing but pi by 2 plus pi by 2. 1 pi by 2, change. Again pi by 2, again change. Now what happened? See, suppose this one, 1 pi by 2, change. Another pi by 2, again change, like that. See this. It is the opposite side. 1 pi by 2, opposite side convert into adjacent side. Again pi by 2, reverse, opposite side. So same, it is always same. 2 pi by 2, it is pi. Pi came, function does not change. Pi by 2 came, function change. Now see that this is sin 3 pi by 2 plus x. Sin 3 pi by 2 plus x, which quadrant? Pi by 2, it pi and 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 plus means this side. So fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, sign is negative. Now 3 pi by 2. Pi by 2 pi by 2, pi by 2. 3 times change, so it is again change, that is the cos x. So a simple way, the product of pi by 2 is odd, then change. The product of pi by 2 is even, no change. Now see, it is 3 pi by 2 minus x. 3 pi minus x. Minus x is in which quadrant? Third quadrant. Third quadrant is also negative. Minus 3 pi by 2. It is also minus cos x. 2 pi minus x. It is 2 pi. See, from this, it is 2 pi minus x. Reverse, fourth quadrant. Negative. Now what is the function? Function does not change. 2 pi. So does not change. Minus sin x. 3 pi by 2 plus x. In which quadrant? 3 pi by 2 plus fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant cos is positive, not minus. So no need of writing positive. 3 pi by 2 function change. Pi by 2 came from the function change, that is sin x. Like this, you may write any of the remaining all trigonometric functions. Either tan, cot, like that. 3 pi by 2 plus x, minus x, both are. Then pi plus x, pi minus x. Everything we may find by using AST, and for sin AST, function change or not change depend upon the pi by 2, product of the pi by 2. Now exercise 3.3, prove that this value is 3 by 2. Question number 2. Question number 1 is easy. Then I explain this question number 2. 2 sin square pi by 6. Square is kaha hai? In middle mein square. This is nothing but whole square. Whole square, when you write square, then write here. Here square means whole square. Plus cosecant. Cosecant is 1 by sine whole square. Cos pi by 3 whole square. Here 7 pi by 6. Now 7 pi by 6. Now 6 pi plus pi. Now 6 pi by pi is pi. Pi plus pi by 6 whole square. Sin pi by 6. Pi by 6 where is? Pi is 180. 180 by 6 is 30. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Putting 1 by 2 whole square. Plus this pi plus pi by 6. In which quadrant? Pi plus third quadrant. Third quadrant sign is negative. Negative sin pi by 6 whole square into cos pi by 3. Cos 60 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4. Now you cancel the 1 by 2 plus a whole square. So minus square is positive. Sin 30 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 4. But it is reciprocal to 4 come out. That is 2 by 1 whole square, that is 4. 4 by 4. So answer is 3 by 2. That is RHS. Now third question. Cot square of 5 by 6. Cosecant 5 pi by 6 plus 3 tan square 5 by 6 is equal to 6. Prove that. Now LHS, I am writing whole square. Cosecant 1 by sine 3 tan 5 by 6 whole square. This is a whole square. Now cot 180 by 6 is 30. Cot 30. First find the tan 30. 1 by root 3. Now cot 30 it is called this ka reciprocal root 3. Tan 60 root 3. Cot 30 also root 3. Now root 3 whole square plus, now this angle, 5 pi, it is nearby 6. 6 pi minus pi, it is 5 pi. Now 6 pi by 5 pi, it is pi minus pi by 6. 6 pi by 6 is pi minus pi by 6. Now this value is 1 by root 3 whole square. Root 3 square is 3. 3 by 3, it is 3 plus 1 by pi minus in which quadrant? second quadrant. Second quadrant का sign is positive. Again, pi is function does not change. Sin pi by 6. Sin pi by 6 is equal sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2 is 2 by 1. Now this sum is 6. That is RHS. Now in exercise 3.2, fifth question, first one. Find the value of sin 75 degrees. We know the formula, that is sin of x plus y is equal to sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Putting x equal to 45, y is equal to 30 degrees. Now 45, 30, 45, 30. We know this value, 1 by root 2. This value, cos 30 root 3 by 2 plus sin 45 1 by root 2. Sin 45 1 by root 2. Cos 45 sin 30. Sin 30 1 by 2. Now LCM is 2 root 2 2 root 2 LCM. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So finally this value is 75. Sin of 75 degrees is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Suppose it is the minus sign, minus came, so it is minus, so minus, so minus. That is sin 15 degrees is equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. 15 is minus, 75 is middle plus. Now fifth second question, tan 15 degrees. Now sin of x minus y by cos of x minus y. I dividing this one. Actually tan of x minus y there is one formula, but that is coming formula, so I am writing this way, sin by cos. Sin of x minus y, you know the formula, cos of x minus y, cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Now putting x is equal to 45 degrees and y equal to 30 degrees, 45 minus 30 is equal to 15. Here also 45, 30. Now it is 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, minus 1 by root 2, 1 by 2. Like that you may observe this. Here what is the LCM? 2 root 2. Here LCM 2 root 2. This denominator cancel. So root 3 minus 1 by root 3 plus 1. This is tan 15 degrees. Or you may rationalize it. The denominator cancels the root 3 minus 1 to multiply and divide. Now it is 2. 4 root 3 minus 1 whole square. A minus b whole square. A square plus b square minus 2ab. 4 by 2 it is 2. This 2 cancels the root 3. 2 minus root 3 is tan 15 degrees. Suppose you are taking it the plus. 2 plus root 3. And 75 degrees. 75 is plus. Just here take a plus, then you can get the answer. Now we discuss about the tan of x minus y. This is tan of x minus y LHS. Now this. So this divide by cos x cos y. Here. Sin x cos y by cos x cos y. Cos y cancels, so sin x convert into tan. That is tan x. Here cos x cos y dividing here. Cos x cancels, so sin y by cos y is tan minus tan y. Here also dividing cos. So it is 1. Cos x cos y cancels, so sin x cos y, sin y by cos x cos y. Tan x tan y plus tan x into tan y. So this is the formula of tan of x minus y is equal tan x minus tan y by 1 plus tan x into tan y. This is the coming formula. If the minus to minus came, plus to plus came, I will explain next. Just after writing divide by cos x cos y, then you can convert into tan. Now further formula, tan of x plus y is equal to tan x plus tan y by 1 minus tan x into tan y. Here plus k, उसका रिवर्स डिनोमिनेटर, tan of x minus y, here minus, so tan x minus tan y, उसका रिवर्स here plus reverse minus reverse plus. Now sin of 2x is x plus x, sin of x plus x, after simplification you can get 2 sin x into cos x. This is sin of x plus x. Sin of x plus y is equal sin x cos y, cos x sin y. It repeated 2 times. So 2 sin x into cos x. Cos of 2x is equal cos square x minus sin square x. If the middle is plus, so it is 1. Cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. But minus is cos 2x. If you fix it here, this cos square x, then it is 2 times. 2 cos square x, then it convert into 1. This place is 1, then it is double. Or this place occupy the 1, then it is double. 1 minus 2 sin square. Suppose this is 1, then this double. If you write here 1, then this double. Cos, so 3 formulas came. Tan 2x, suppose it is also x. Tan x, 2 tan x, 1 minus tan x tan square x. Another formula, sin square a minus sin square b is equal sin a plus b into sin a minus b. It is observe the a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. Same as sin you are right, sin square a minus sin square b is equal sin a plus b into sin a minus b.